The YEECHUN 2-pack refrigerator door shelves are designed specifically for the lower door positions on many side-by-side Frigidaire and Electrolux models, giving a precise fit where the original bins often crack. Each bin uses thick, food-safe plastic that feels sturdier than many factory shelves, so it handles the weight of jars and bottles without flexing or sagging. Installation is straightforward because the hooks are molded to match the original flat-style mounts on compatible doors, so the bins simply slide and snap into place. The clear walls and generous depth make it easy to organize condiments, sauces, and tall drink containers, while still seeing everything at a glance. The included soda can organizers are a practical bonus that help stack canned drinks neatly, freeing up interior shelf space inside the refrigerator compartment. Overall, this replacement set is a reliable way to restore broken or missing door storage, improving day-to-day usability without feeling like a downgrade from the original parts.